Now, because the end of that is a run-on sentence, we have to break it up. So I would choose the first which statement, which is controlling society, period. And then instead of saying which connects back to chapter 17, you could say this connects back to chapter 17, so on and so forth. So you want to examine your sentence to find that verb that is not active and switch it to an active verb. A lot of the times that is actually one of the words that is in the verb phrase or the sentence already. Use that as your main verb. Then you want to make sure that your sentence is not a run-on. Joseph's in the second half, although the content is really, really super clear, it's a run-on and it goes on for too long, so we needed punctuation in the middle of it. And now this sentence has an active verb, stops, more specific, right? And it was broken up into two sentences right here so that it didn't have a run-on. So now it's a great sentence. So how do we actually revise for this? The first thing you do is label for save, subject, verb, and then everything else. But what you want to look for is doubled verbs. Now I highlighted a sentence for you in your Google Doc. It's in yellow for you to try to revise using the save method. But you want to avoid the double verbs. See how there's is, there's able, and then there's stop. Those are 3 verbs in there. You want to look for those and you want to eliminate them. The second thing that we want to do is choose a specific verb. In our case up here, that was the word stop. That was already in the verb phrase. And then last, break up the sentence as you see fit. Double verbs, watch out for those. Choose a specific verb that's in that phrase, and then break up as you see fit. We don't want any run-ons in our PBA. And there you have it. That is how you save a sentence. What you're tasked with now is going into your Google document, finding the 2 highlighted sentences that I highlighted in yellow. Those are 2 sentences that I know you can save using the method that I just went through with Joseph's sentence. If you get stuck, don't just sit there and stare at your computer and don't stay stuck, right? Problem solve. Ask the teacher, that strange person that's in the front of the room. You can email me, it'll come straight to my phone and I'll hopefully be able to respond in that moment. If I don't, I need you to push through and forge ahead. If you are finished saving your sentences, there's a few formatting things that you actually need to do. So if you look at the back of the page, it says save and then it says format and then it says finish early, ? Follow those steps to finalize your document for submission tomorrow. I'll be printing them right when I come in on Tuesday morning. You're probably wondering what we're going to do on Tuesday if we're finished the prints by the end of the day on Monday. You are starting your first ever 10th grade performance task on Tuesday. I will frame it, I will help you in the beginning, I will let you know everything that we can and cannot do during conferencing, how to approach the text and how to approach the performance task. So please do not get anxious, get some sleep, and come in prepared on Tuesday for the performance task. Email me with any questions. I can't wait to see you guys on Tuesday. I know you got this.